I am Farah and I was born in Somalia. When I was 8, moved to the UK, and I still got a lot of family back in Somaliland and Somalia. The drought is bad, it's really bad, and it hurts because, you know, there's still family members, there's people out there you grew up with. When I was young, I didn't really see too much of it. It wasn't as bad, but right now when I went back in 2011, I saw a lot of stuff. There's millions of kids out there suffering, and it hurts me seeing kids, you know, not having food, water. Particularly, you know, as a father of 4 kids myself, and seeing kids in that pain, it hurts. That's why I get involved with Save the Children, because I want to save lives, and I know if we can save them kids, we can give them a hope, we can give them a life. To us, maybe £5, £1, £2, £10 might not make a huge difference in our pocket, but to them it will change people's lives. Please donate now to East Africa Food Crisis Appeal.